We would like to introduce our updated high-purity surface treatment EVEREDKOTE. EVEREDKOTE is a material produced by Toyo Tanso's technology. It is a high-purity isotropic graphite material covered with tantalum carbide film. Next, we will introduce the features of EVEREDKOTE. Prevents the release of gases and impurities from the graphite substrate. Excellent heat resistance, allowing use in environments where a silicon carbide film cannot be used. Extremely low gas permeability, which reduces wear and tear on the base material. Excellent reflectivity, can be used for reflectors and so on. High etch resistance to gases such as hydrogen, hydrogen chloride, and ammonia. Our technical improvements have made the coating even tougher. It can be used for a longer period of time.